Hello, I'm Joe from Ledlenser, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Ledlenser P-Series. It's our most popular flashlight range, and the Ledlenser P7 is probably the most popular LED flashlight in the world. The P-Series range covers everything you could ever want from a flashlight around the home. The P7, now in its third generation, is the all-round solution. It's operated with 4 AAA alkaline batteries and is an easy-to-use flashlight with 3 brightness levels. Our rapid focus and the patented advanced focus system gives the user one-handed focus, providing a smooth transition from flood to spot beam. The P7R has similar features to the P7, but with some great add-ons. It has the same focus system, but in addition a useful focus lock. It also has 3 brightness levels, which are all brighter than the standard P7. The P7R is rechargeable and is powered by a 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery, providing over 1,000 charging cycles. It's charged via our innovative floating charge system. Our smart light technology means you can customize your flashlight. For example, you can set it to start in low power mode or power mode. The P5 is a tiny flashlight that packs a real punch. It makes it the ultimate flashlight for tucking into your pocket, bag or glove compartment in your car. It only weighs 80 grams and is just 113 millimeters long. It runs on one AA alkaline battery and is very easy to operate. It provides 140 lumens of bright white light with an amazing 120 meter range and 4 hours runtime. Despite its size, the P5 offers Ledlenser's rapid focus system. The P14 is a medium-sized torch and runs with 4 AA alkaline batteries. It's also equipped with our rapid focus and patented advanced focus system. It has an easy-to-access boost mode offering 800 lumens that's activated by simply touching the end cap switch. You have bright light just when you need it. The P17R is the premium solution in the range and is perfect for the most demanding use cases. It comes packed with advanced features and technologies. Clipped in the wall mount or simply loaded via our floating charge system, it serves as the ideal emergency light for power outages. It offers up to 1,000 lumens and a whole host of functions via its fast action switch. SOS, blink and strobe to name a few. Stepless dimming and our advanced focus system are also available in the P17R. So that was just a short overview of our P-Series. All products in the series are, like all Ledlenser products, backed by our industry-leading 7-year warranty when registered. To see the products in our P-Series and all of our other lighting solutions, please visit our website.